Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella. My channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is July the 19th, and our devotion is called Thorns. Concerning this thing I pleaded with the Lord 3 times, that it might depart from me. And he said to me, My grace is sufficient for you, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. 2 Corinthians 12, 8 and 9. We are quickly to plead for God to take away the things that we are struggling with, like ill health, weak willpower, or faltering relationships. God can move powerfully in these situations because instead of relying on your own strength, you realize your dependency on Him. This speaks volumes to the people around you who see that you have made the most out of your struggles. Father God, thank you that you care enough for me to make sure that I have everything I really need. Help me to stop complaining about the struggles in my life and to see them as blessings, because they prove your strength and your power in my life. The nighttime devotion. Has your day had reproach, need, precautions, or distress? Rejoice. It may not feel like a time to be happy, yet you can be encouraged that God is at work in you, perhaps even more powerful than if you had a victorious day. God takes over when you are weak, so you can boast in His greatness and glorify His name. Consider it a privilege to go through hard times for the sake of the good news of Jesus. The question of the day: how can you see God working through your imperfections? We all have imperfections because nobody's perfect. There was only one perfect man, and that was Jesus Christ. I see God working in my life every day through my channel, through the people I've met. We might not have ever met face to face, but I feel like you guys are friends and family. And I see God working in all of us through your comments, and I want to thank you all for watching the video. And if you would like and subscribe and leave a comment and share the video. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.